Hello guys, today I'll be changing the oil in the front differential of my Ford Explorer first generation. First of all, I'll try and clean up the oil drain and then let's see if it will open. Okay, I'll spray some WD-40 and now I'll just let it work for a little bit, maybe half an hour, something like that. This is 17, almost there. Let's see, 16 is better. No, so it's 17, and let's try and see if I can open it. No. And no. I'll have to think of something else. Well, it didn't work with the hex, so I'm thinking of something new. I don't know if it will work, but it's worth a try. I'll use the jack. And maybe when I lift the jack, it will push it a little bit. Oh yeah, it's working. If I can do it by hand now. Well, still no, but let's use the jack. It's going slow, but it's going. Yeah, I can do it by hand now. I don't have a spill, something to gather if there's any oil, but it shouldn't, because this is the mark that you fill up to. So it should not be oil more than this. Okay. I've connected this oil pump to a battery, and with this I'll try to drain the fluid from the differential. Well, looks like there is no more oil. Just search for. Yeah. Okay. I'm ready to put the oil back in. I have some Lukoil transmission 8590, which is good for this front differential. I took out about 1.8 liters, so that means I should be able to put around 2 liters back. Let's see. It looks like it's full because it started dripping. That's why I put some kind of a drip tray, spill tray. Now I'll just clean it up and a little bit cleaning, so later, or maybe when the car will be moving again, I'll see if is there any dripping. Now let's tighten this.
Bogdane, tu wieder o brânză?